Finally, it has arrived. This watch is in here. Should be unboxed on March, but due to the COVID-19 outbreak, it have been delayed and we're doing this on April. But that's okay. April release G-Shock watches should be coming out somewhere at the end of the month, so I'm expecting to unbox them somewhere on months of May. So we got a lot of time to spare, and this is all 3 G-Shock watches that I bought. Well, for the price, around 12,000, 19,800, and only around 100 bucks over here. Altogether I spent about 400 US dollars for 3 G-Shock watch, 2 in digital and 1 in analog. So this is how your watch will be packed if you buy a bundle of them at once through buy.jp, which is the sponsor of all of these G-Shock watches. If you're new here, you could buy a lot of G-Shock watches directly from Japan using buy.jp, which is a proxy shopping service website based in Japan. So I use the site, but due to this COVID-19 outbreak, I highly recommend you to check the site first, whether they could ship the parcel to your country or not. For me personally, I think they could still send it away to my local home country, but you guys should check beforehand. They didn't even open up the box, so that's one of the good thing about purchasing from them, so that you know this is how you will be getting, this is how it looks like, and you could also make sure that nothing is missing. This is one of the G-Shock watch that I bought based from my previous purchase, and that will be GPW2000. And this is another Gravity Master G-Shock watch that I decided to get. It is indeed in used condition, just the lower price of around 100 bucks only. I'm sure it could get a lot cheaper depending on the colorway, but the one I'm getting right now is the all black version. Again, like I said, the idea behind this purchase is to experience the Gravity Master family, because they're usually incredibly simple, at the same time incredibly complex as well for a G-Shock watch. And okay, this is how it looked like. The GW4000 series G-Shock watch in all black. I was looking to get the bracelet version, but it ended up to be a bit more expensive than I expected, so I get this full resin one. I'm sure I could find a band replacement, but this is how it looked like. Incredibly great looking full analog G-Shock like this one. If I'm not mistaken, I did mention that I don't planning on getting this watch at all, but this is the new GM6900 in black and red colorway. Oh wow, I'm gonna put all of this watch in the box again and then perform the full unboxing in the full review video. But I have to say, for first impression, I was expecting something bigger, somewhere on the GDX 6900 size, but it is smaller than I expected. So sure guys, I have a good feeling about this G-Shock watch already. So first impressions, great. This is also in used up condition, but considering the popularity of this G-Shock watch, I'm surprised I only paid around, let's see now, 12,154 yen. Incredibly cheap for all the things that it has to offer. Alright, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Hold on, they put this. Oh yeah, they wrap it up, which is great. This is the Bluetooth Square G-Shock watch, and I picked up the one on bracelet. Oh wow, it is. Holy, it feels. Originally planning on getting the GMWB 5000, the full metal square G-Shock watch in black colorway. That one cost me around 40,000 each, but after a good long thinking, you know, instead of spending 400 bucks on one G-Shock, I decided to buy 3 G-Shock watch at the same price and still get all the things that I wanted just from this guy. I know the display would be different if I'm not mistaken, but Sure, this one is good enough for me. I bought it in use. It is incredibly affordable. It serves the same purpose: a square, Bluetooth equipped solar wave sector G-Shock watch, and I have extra cash to buy the brand new GM69 and also an analog G-Shock watch just to experience on new things. So these are all the thoughts process that goes behind this G-Shock watch purchase. Let me know what you think, if I made a good deal or did I just wasted 400 bucks. Yeah, comment down below and stay tuned for the full unboxing and review for all of these 3 G-Shock watches. A quick words before I end the video: thanks to buy.jp for making this video possible. They are a proxy shopping service website based in Japan, partnering with a lot of major online retailers. If you are on the market looking for vintage or brand new G-Shock watches or any items originated from Japan, use the link down in the description box, sign up and earn 1000 yen discount on your first order on top of all current promotions that they have.